5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 250 up to keep one right for 2 left cuts at the fence, go. 100. 1 right around the pole, tightens around the poles. The 2 right over shiny, go. Middle over crest, go. 90, long 1 left, 80 down through the dip. And 1 right, go. Past the fence, 120 up. The easy 1 right at the gate. 90, slow, 2 left over bump, 150. Keep 1 right over long crest, go. 100 up to hard slowing. 2 left at the over crest at the pole, only 50 to 6 right. 40, 2 left is go. 120. 1 left stop, 60, turn hairpin right around the bale. Tidy now. In and go. 40. 1 left. 150. Crest, go. And 1 right, 70. 3 left at the tree. 100. 2 right. Middle over crest. Go. 60. Hard slowing. 5 right. 60. Right side over crest, slowing down to 5 left at the gate. And 2 right opens, go. 100 down. 1 left at the stakes, go. 100. Slowing, 2 left. Don't cut, 60. Hard slowing, 2 right over crest. Tightens to 4 right at the trees. Tightens to 4 at the trees. 40. 1 left and 1 left over crest, go past the lane. 70. 1 right, hard slowing, sudden 5 left around the bush, cuts. 60. Keep in, 2 right, go. 40. 2 left, good. 80. Hard slowing, turn square left, drive it. 50. 2 right opens over crest, go. 40 down, 2 left slowing, tighten. 60. Hard slowing then, keep left around the bales. 80. 1 left, 40, 2 right is go. Past the fence, 90. 1 right, keep in, 70. 2 left, slowing, slippy, 80. Stop, turn square right, drive it. Slippy exit. 100. 1 left, 60. Hard slowing, 2 right, tightens, 5 right. Going out of the 5. 120. Keep 1 left for 2 right, narrows is go. Slowing, 60. 3 right at the lane. 80 down to C5 left. There's your 5 at the wall. 120. 4 right. Long tightens to the pole. 150 down. Turn 5 left at the end. At the sign there. 80. Hard slowing early. Turn square left over the bridge. 30. Square right. 120 down. Handbrake around the island. Tidy now. In and out. And 3 right is go. Go on, keep it in it. 80 up. Turn hairpin right, drive it. 40. 2 right, opens, go. And 1 left, 90. Square left at the pole, drive it. Long 1 right, opens, go. 80. 5 left, don't cut at the lane. Muck on it. 40. 5 left. 60 up, keep 1 left, 80. 1 right. 50. Hard slowing, 3 left at the farm. 70. Middle over long crests and 2 right is go. 40. 1 right. 80 up to easy, 3 left at the pillar. 60 then. Slow, 2 left. Far 4 right around the pole, 80. Kink 1 left slowing, only 60 down, 3 right at the gate. Kink 2 left, 2 right go, 60. Slowing, 1 right, 3 left at the gate. 80 up to 6 right at the gate at the end. And 5 left, 10 to turn square right. Drive it. 15 square left, let's go, let's go. 80 up. To long 1 left, tightens into 2 left, go. 60 over the junction, 200. Remember the gap now. You have a 1 right go, 80, slowing 1 right at the gap, 6 left at the wall. 200, long 1 right, opens past poles, go, 300, 1 left, go on it, 100 in, slowing at the wall, 2 right, 180 up, slowing in, 2 right at the lane, tightens the 4 right at the house, long, 40 for C, 6 right at the gate, and you're going out of the 6 now, in and out, good man, 52 right go past the bush, opens, 80, left side over crest, 250, all the way up to the 1 right of the bush, go on it, 200, hard slowing early, right in 3 stops again, 3 bails, 80,
Stop, you cunt.
oh you will, 4 left, 30, 2 right opens, 40, 2 left past the gates, go on it, 90, 3 right, 60, slowing, 3 left falls away at the gate, 60, hard slowing, 4 right tightens, to 5 left, opens past the gate, 40 through the dip, 60, 1 left over crest and go again, go, 80, 1 right through junction, go, 150, 1 right at the bush at the end is go, 70 then and hard slowing before the crest, 50 stop, 6 left at the lane, good your man, 20, 6 right, 30, long 2 left, opens over the crest, 40 slowing down, 4 right, 40 or 80, 1 left in dip, 60, 2 right, 60, 1 left, only 80, stop turn square left at the fence, here we are, 80 now, slowing, 1 left, past the shed, tightens to 3 left, 30, 4 right over the bridge, hard slowing then, right side over the crest, 40, turn square left, around the pole, in and go now, 150 up, carry on it, middle over the long crest, 60, hard slowing, 6 right at the pole, 80, 6 left at the pillar, over wet, and it is wet, 30, 1 left opens, go, 100, slow, 6 right over bump at the house, 70, keep 1 right, go now, 60 up, 1 left over long crest, go, 40 then, and you're slowing, 2 left, stop, 80, square left, stop, square left, good man, around the pole, 40, 1 right over crest, come on now, 60, keep, 1 left, easy, 3 right, 80 up, 2 right is go at the bank, hard slowing after the bank, 40, 3 left, 80, hard slowing, keep right, 20, 5 left at the gate, cuts on it, 40 then, 5 left at the pillar, slippy, 4 right, 80, be tidy on you now, hard slowing early over crest, sudden square right, 60, long 2 right, tightens, 30, slowing, 4 left, 40, 6 left over the gravel, tight, 5 left at the lane, and it opens over the crest to 2 left long, 50, stop, square right over the gravel, 100, you're nearly out of this stuff now, turn square left at the top, 60, 1 right over kick jump okay, 50, long crest mid go, and 1 right don't lift, 100 down, past the lane, keep 1 left, slowing through the dip, 3 left, 50, turn square right around the pole, 40, 40 here now, easy 4 left, and 3 right opens, go on it, 60, 1 left, 50, 2 right at the lane, go over the bump, 80, hard slowing at the end, 2 right, 35 left, 2 right, 10, 3 left, 20 then hard slowing, 3 left at the fence for stop, 6 right, 30 through the dip, turn square right, 300, Carrying the snow, get out of it. Good man. At the end here now, 1 left over crest, hard slowing 40, 5 left mud maybe, easy, left side over crest and go 40, slow 3 right at the bush, 70, long 2 right go, 60, hard slowing past the lane, 60, turn square right, 20 over finished. That's you.